Here comes Betsy. She had to do some dog sitting. Now we're heading over to Somerset Mall to go to Build-A-Bear for Piper. So it should be fun. And I'm getting front door service. So Piper, what kind of bear are you gonna build? You don't know yet? I know, so many to choose from, huh? Are you excited? Okay.
We have 2 for 35 and 2 for 45.
Oh, okay.
The only ones it's not going to be a part of is going to be Harry Potter, The Child, or Score Bunny.
Oh, the ones we want. No, I'm kidding.
Right, I know, right? Well, that's usually the response, to be honest.
Hey Piper. He has my name. His name's Kevin.
But all was not lost, for one minion had a plan. His name was Kevin.
You want sky? Okay. You want sky? Okay, then come this way.
Ooh, this would be cool. She has 4 sayings. Do you hear that? You want Sky to talk to you?
Okay. Yeah. All right.
How cool.
Do you want a second one that's also part of the Super 45?
You want to do
Another one, Piper?
Do you want Chase with her?
For the rest, she's 29 by herself.
Let's go get a Chase. Okay, let's get him out. Oh, he is so cool. Well, we gotta put his clothes on still. All right, bring him over to mommy. Yeah, that's gonna be so cool. Stay over here. We're gonna. Look at, there's the voice box. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Stay right here.
Stay right here. You ready, Piper? You being shy now? Are you watching? Look, there goes your doggy. He's getting Chase getting all stuffed. Look at that, Piper. It's the hug station. So cool. Oh, here comes Sky, Piper.
Over here. We're going to put the hearts in after. Right before we go. Here's Sky. Oh, look at your puppy stand there.
Yay!
Ready? Put your hearts in there. Put your hearts in there.
So cute. Wow. We taking camping? You'd be a good camping dog, wouldn't he? You got what? Doggies don't wear shoes? No, they don't like shoes.
Okay, you want to dress him?
There's a dressing room. Who are we dressing first? You want to dress Chase?
Okay, hold on. Let's get his outfit.
Next time you get a good angle there. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah, because you would want the Velcro not to be seen, so it'd be under his belly. Together, yeah. You did a wonderful job making your new friends.
Okay, so come over here.
Chase is on the case. This puppy's